Here we have a 12-rod grandfather chime bar. This came from an Urgos movement, an Urgos 312. I got this screwdriver right here. We are about to tune this pupper to the proper pitch with a Dremel tool, which my father is currently assembling. Here's how they sound now. This is how they were tuned back in the 70s. Most of them sound okay, but there's a few flat ones. The strike side also has a few flat ones. I'll go ahead and play those for you. So it is finished, and I will tell you, I did not expect so many sparks to fly because the video I watched did not show any flying sparks, and I think I cut just a few of these the winchiest bit too short, but the sound is close enough to perfect that I'm willing to let it be, and you can all be the judge.